Hey everyone! Ever copied something, then copied something else, and realized you just lost what you needed? It happens more often than we would like. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable and use Clipboard History in Windows 11, so you can copy multiple things and access them anytime. Let's start by opening Settings. You can click the Start menu and select the gear icon, or just press Windows key together with I on your keyboard. In Settings, make sure you are in the System tab on the left. Scroll down a bit and you will find Clipboard. Go ahead and click it. You will now see a toggle that says Clipboard History. Turn it on. And just like that, Clipboard History is enabled. No downloads, no setup, just a built-in feature hiding in plain sight. Kind of like my motivation on Mondays. Now that it's on, here's how to use it. Anytime you have copied a few things, like some text, a link, or a piece of info, like an address or email, just press Windows key together with V on your keyboard. This will open your clipboard history, a list of everything you have recently copied. Just click on any item to paste it where you need it. You can also pin items you use regularly, like your email address or bank details. Click the pin icon next to any item. Pinned items stay even after restarting your computer or copying new things. And that's it. Clipboard history is now enabled and ready to boost your workflow. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.